Hey there, beautiful souls. It's time to break free from negative thoughts and be your own hero. So let's uncover the secrets of transforming negativity into positivity, empowering you to build unshakable self-love. Get ready to embark on a life-changing journey as we dive into the secrets of transforming negative thoughts into a powerhouse of positivity. We're going to reveal to you 5 transformative steps to be your own hero and conquer the negativity that holds you back. Brace yourself to elevate your confidence and self-esteem with these electrifying affirmations and self-care tips. Step 1. Embrace your inner warrior. Recognize the power within you to overcome any obstacle. Remember, you are the hero of your own story. Proclaim, "I am strong and resilient." Step 2. Challenge your negative thoughts. Confront and question the limiting beliefs that hold you back. Together, let's declare, "I choose to replace negativity with empowering thoughts." Step 3. Surround yourself with positivity. Seek out uplifting environments and people who inspire and support you. Daily, let's affirm, "I attract positive energy and uplifting connections." Step 4. Practice mindfulness and self-compassion. Be present in the moment and treat yourself with kindness and understanding. Declare, "I am gentle with myself and embrace my journey." Step 5. Visualize your success. Envision yourself conquering your goals and living your dreams. Say with me, "I see my future filled with success and happiness. All the hurtful things people have said about me are now released. I let go of all my guilt. My negative thoughts do not define me. I am a powerful, manifesting greatness. I accept the power I wield. I am at peace with myself. I love the person I see in the mirror. I exist within a universe of infinite possibilities." Remember that loving yourself isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. So now you have the tools to transform negative thoughts and become your own hero. As you continue to practice these techniques, you'll find yourself rising above negativity and embracing a life filled with positivity. Stay positive, and remember, you are the hero of your own story.